Having a hard time quieting your mind during meditation? Stay tuned and watch this video for my foolproof tips and tricks on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is to active quieting your mind to connect with your soul for the best self-care tips and tricks for total wellness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video every Sunday. If you're the person that finds your schedule to be too busy to take 15 minutes out of your day just to spend some time with yourself, or if you've tried meditation in the past and you just couldn't stop your mind from thinking, this video is for you. In this video I'll give you some foolproof tips and tricks on meditating and making it a part of your everyday routine. Mindfulness meditation is a great way to increase your ability to concentrate, reduce stress, and stimulate creativity. Learning to meditate mindfully takes time and practice. However, you can learn to do it on your own. You will also be able to learn how to incorporate mindfulness techniques into your daily life, such as when you eat, when you walk, or when you perform one of your daily tasks. Part 1 of 3. Choose the place. 1. Pick a location. Think about a place where you won't be interrupted and where there is no source of distraction. You could choose a quiet spot in your home, or you could sit under a tree outside. Choose a place where you feel a sense of peace and where you can detach yourself from the rumors of everyday life. If you cultivate the practice of meditation, consider creating a space that is dedicated to this practice. You could place inspiring or calming objects on a special table, such as flowers or pictures of beautiful places. Soften the lighting by installing candles. 2. Put you at ease. You will stay still for several minutes and you must be in a comfortable position for this. Pay attention to the ambient temperature. You may want to place a blanket on or near your shoulders as your body temperature may drop. Plan a few pillows to make you sit more comfortably. Wear comfortable clothes that won't get in your way. 3. Allow time in front of you. You could start with just 10 minutes of meditation and work your way up. Don't choose to meditate for an hour, as it may seem like too much at once. Prefer to commit to short durations and, if you wish, increase them gradually. Try to set a timer so that you are not tempted to check what time it is during meditation. Just make the end of meditation time marked with a softer alarm than an aggressive phone ringing. Try to find a sound that resembles soothing chimes or soft piano music. 4. Try out different postures. Many people associate meditation with sitting in the lotus pose, crossed legs, but there is not just one way to meditate. You can sit on the floor, on a chair, stand, walk, or lie down. Try out different positions. Use your pillows or not, and find what feels most natural to you. There is no wrong way to meditate. The lying position is quite comfortable, but still be careful not to fall asleep. It often happens that we start a meditation and then find ourselves transported into the realm of dreams. Part 2 of 3. Start meditation. 1. Get your mind ready. You may need some time to get your mind ready and start to let go of the things that are going on in your life. If you've had a stressful day, you might be thinking about what happened or things that might happen in the future. You risk rehashing your emotions. Notice how your mind is dancing and let it dance a bit as you get in shape. You should know that it is okay to find meditation a little strange. Just take a moment to identify these feelings and focus on your physical position. Try to get into the most comfortable position possible. 2. Take a few deep breaths. Concentrate on your breath. Notice the inhalations and exhalations with each breath. Feel the way each breath comes in and out of your body. Fill your lungs, then goes to your throat and mouth. Start to lengthen the duration of each breath to give it depth. Deep breathing relaxes the body and mind. Watching your breath is a mindfulness practice in itself. You can observe your breathing for the duration of the meditation. 3. Realize that you are not your thoughts. When you meditate, tell yourself that you have control over the thoughts and emotions you choose to feel. When you notice the appearance of thoughts or emotions that you don't want to engage in, let them go and choose not to place your attention on them. This tip might help you realize that you have the power to change negative thoughts and you can let them go. Don't get angry with yourself if you notice the presence of mental thoughts. Practice letting go of these mental experiences without judgment. 4. Come back on your breath. Whenever you are distracted by the noises, thoughts, or whatever, come back to observing your inhales and exhales. When you notice a negative thought or feeling, shift your focus back to your breath. When you focus on your breath, focus on neutrality. If thoughts do arise, continue to practice non-judgment of your thoughts, including if they concern the way you practice meditation. Judging yourself interferes with your meditation session. Realize that people often find themselves distracted by thoughts about their day. Meditation is not about performance. 5. Focus on the present moment. One of the goals of mindfulness practices is to help you focus on the present moment. Your mind and your emotions are very easily immersed in the future or the past, but your body is always in the present moment. This is why many mindfulness practices are centered on the body. If you notice that your mind is wandering a lot, come back to your body and especially your breath. Try to focus only on the present moment. Part 3 of 3. Practice mindfulness techniques. 1. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating may even help you lose weight, as you will slow down the rate at which you eat and actually enjoy your food. You could practice mindful eating with a fruit, such as an apple. Hold the apple and look at it. Observe its shape, texture, or any writing stuck to it. Smell the apple in your hands or perhaps in contact with your lips. Bring it closer to your face and take a few breaths to feel it. Notice if your body responds, for example by salivating or increasing its desire to taste it. Finally, bite into a piece of apple. Notice its taste, its texture, and ask yourself if it is pleasant to chew on it. 2. Practice mindful walking. You could also meditate while walking. Try going for a walk, and as you walk, focus on what it feels like to walk. Feel your muscles moving, bending and stretching. Slow down your pace so that you can concentrate on your movements and the feeling of your feet touching and leaving the ground. Barefoot walking meditation can enhance the experience and allow you to experience many more sensations, such as the texture and temperature of the ground. 3. Focus on the sensations. You can practice mindfulness meditation if you are in pain and want to tune your body. This skill can help reduce pain and tension. Choose a place in your body to focus on, either internally or externally. Are the sensations pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral? You may notice that here or there is now a pleasant feeling or pain. Observe how your mind and body interact with these feelings. A similar method based on the fundamentals of meditation involves a form of body analysis. Focus on each part of the body from the bottom up to examine the sensations, before moving on to another part or observing the flow of energy. Instead of losing interest in your surroundings, try activating each of your senses. Open your eyes and observe your surroundings. Notice every movement, every color or every object that appears in front of you. Notice the smells passing through the air. Notice the sounds, perhaps the buzz of electricity, the cars passing by, or the birds singing. 4. Make your daily tasks an opportunity to meditate. Any action can be a meditation if you do it mindfully. You might brush your teeth mindfully by noticing the taste of the toothpaste, feeling the bristles of the brush and the movement of your hand. Take a mindful shower and notice all your ways of taking care of your body during this time. Even driving to work can be an opportunity for meditation. Notice how you feel in the car. the way your body adapts to the seat, and observe the thoughts and emotions that assail you when you are in the car, are faced with trafficking and desired or unwanted consequences. Whenever you do a mindfulness practice, tell yourself that the most important thing is to be present. Take your breath back and observe your thoughts and feelings without chasing or judging them. Advice: listen to relaxing music, nature sounds, or white noise to help with your mindfulness practice, especially if you are a beginner. Take it step by step. Don't try to be aware of too many things at once. Only what you see when you see it, and add things when they appear to you. Let those things go when they change. You will increase your level of awareness with your practice. This practice can be used in conjunction with mindfulness of the body in any posture, in order to get the most out of this experience and to achieve frame of reference. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care.